Right, apologies, no video last week because I was waiting for parts. I'm gonna fight a steering slop that is an E34. I mean, they are notoriously pretty lackluster steering wise, but a lot of people have said replacing the track rods and the centre section between the steering box and the I forgot what it's called. Anyway, it's two little arms that connect to these bits here, basically, these bushes. But they wear, and obviously the track rods wear as well. Now I know one of them is pretty much dead, so because you can move the wheel quite a bit. But if I replace a lot of it, people say it might be better. Also, I've added coilovers, that's made it a little bit better as well. So hopefully fitting these, that'll sort it out. Got some new boot struts, and I was supposed to order 2 of them, but apparently I didn't select 2 when I ordered it. So that's for the bonnet. These are for the boot, because the ones on the car are, what, 27 years old and have no gas in them, so they'll need doing. Whether I get to them today, don't know, because how much this might be a pain in the arse to do. I've also got a rocker cover gasket I need to replace because it is leaking, but it's an old BMW, so as expected. But first things first, before I do any of that, I've got some timber to make some ramps so I can get a jack under the car. So I'll do that first. I'll just time lapse that. So go from there, and then we'll get the car up in the air and see how much of a bugger that's going to be. I did buy some ball joint splitters, so we'll see what happens there. Hopefully we'll get them apart, because in another video, if anyone saw it, I was beating the living shite out of it and it wouldn't go anywhere, so see what happens. So that's them done. 135 mil, 45 by whatever. Pressure treated planks. I bought 2 lengths of 2.4 meters. What are they wide? 140 ish. 145. 45 mil, I think. Yeah, so total height is just over 135, 140 ish. They're not very accurate, but they will do the job. So see how it goes. I've just done 12 inches, 24 inches, 36 inches, so nice and stepped. They're not going to be smooth as butter, but it'll be easier than just fucking parking on a lump of wood. Although in still theory it's still lump of wood, but with a 45-degree chamfer. So sweet. Now I'm probably going to make an adjustment by putting a stop block at the end of that, because that is absolutely petrifying driving up there. Expecting it to disappear over the other end. Whew. Right, so this is the problematic side with the wobbly joint. Can't really do it on full lock, but it's got a bit of play in it anyway. So take this out. Oh, yeah, take this out. Do it on both sides, and then try and get that centre section out. See how much of a pig that's going to be. I'll set up a little time lapse somewhere so you can see what I'm doing. That is the worst possible job you can do. This one, plenty of space. Look, get my whole arm up in there. This side, absolutely nothing. So you can't get a puller on it. Luckily, not that one. This one. Put that on there. Bit of fucking warmth. Pop. Oh, a couple of taps as well. And then brand new. But that's all off, so to get the new one, pop that back in. Look at that, old versus new. Same with this as well. By the looks of it, didn't feel like there was play, but that is cooked, my boy. So get that new one and see what happens. Right, so the new arm's in, all nice and shiny. Now, doesn't look that bad. Got quite a bit to toe out, so now I'm going to try and sort that out. So I will need to get it done properly, but just for the sake of being able to fucking see how it feels, I'll have to rotate this bar in the middle. Should push both of them out. I'll do it so I'll measure a point on the inside and here, just to get a rough, like do it from maybe here somewhere or wherever, get a rough idea how equal it is. Ideally I'll put tar on, but I don't think I'll get the leverage that I'll need, so give that a go and I'll be back. Right, so it's all back together. I've kind of tracked it by eye, so we'll see how that goes. I've still got to tighten these up, the little clamps, but for the time being, I'll leave it like that. Put it down, see what it looks like, tracking wise, and then jack it back up quick, do them up, and then give it a drive. Now, personally, I don't think I've tracked that too bad. We'll probably find out when it goes down. I've got a massive amount of toe out, but we shall see. I mean, not to suck my own dick or anything, but that is pretty bang on, to be honest with you. Only one way to find out though. Also, I can't film a drive, but that is 10 times better than it was before. I mean, as in, if I put my foot down and turn, it actually turns, rather than suggest, so you want to go in that direction and then meander off elsewhere. But yeah, 10 times better. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.